Now let's understand few more irregular verbs for Pretérito Indefinido. So today we will learn few more conjugations and these verbs are really important. So we need to understand more about them. In the last video we learned about the estar. Now let's come to the next one. So for hacer, how we use it as the conjugation works like hice, then comes hiciste, iso, the special case iso, then comes hicimos, hicisteis and hicieron. So this is the way the conjugation of hacer is done. Now the way hacer is done, similarly there are few more verbs which are conjugated like this. So when we talk about the examples of such verbs, we start with querer. Now if you will see this querer verb, hacer changed to hice, so querer changes to quise. Similarly, the verb is venir, so venir changes to vine. Similarly, the verb comes dar, so dar changes to di, and the rest of the conjugation is done in the same way. Correct. Now if we talk about the next verb, pedir, there are also few verbs which are conjugated like pedir. Now let's see. It becomes pedi, pediste. Look at the differences over here. It's normal ir ending verb, ir conjugation is going on, but the only difference is over here. It becomes pedio, then comes pedimos. You have somewhere to remember these. Then comes pedisteis, and then comes pedieron. So this is the conjugation for pedir. Now you can see over here, pedir is changed or converted to pedi. Then comes pediste, pedio, pedimos, pedisteis and pedieron. As we know, for nosotros and vosotros, pedi, e is same. Correct. So the example of the other verbs which are conjugated like this, reir, so it becomes rio, right? Now it will end it like rieron and so on. Then comes the verb seguir, so it becomes, look at the difference, sigio, and similarly it becomes mentir, so mentir is changed to mintieron, and this is how the conjugation is moved. Now the next comes the dormir. First of all, dormir, it becomes dormi, dormiste, durmio. Now look at the change over here. Then comes dormimos, then comes dormisteis, and then comes durmieron. Right? So similar to dormir, the verb morir is conjugated, in which it becomes morio. Right? Now the next and the important one is lair, so it becomes, then it becomes leiste, leo, leimos, leisteis, and look at this spelling over here, leiron. So similar to lair, The verb is caer, which is conjugated like this, and it becomes, the change is over here only. That's it. Rest will remain as the same conjugation. Now the next comes ser or er. So it becomes very important one. Fui, fuiste, fue, fuimos, fuisteis, and fueron. This is the conjugation. And now the next comes preferir. So preferir, it becomes preferi, preferiste, preferió, preferimos, preferisteis, and preferieron. So the conjugation for the irregular verbs moves like this. Every verb has some or the other different way of conjugation, and we need to remember them.